Hello FMG, today we are going to see pathology one-liners. Mode of inheritance of sickle cell anemia is autosomal recessive. Characteristic features of kidneys in diabetic mellitus is diffuse glomerular sclerosis. Some monobodies are seen in which type of thyroid is papillary. Most common type of glomerular nephritis seen in HIV nephropathy is focal segmental glomerular nephritis. Most common type of Hodgkin's lymphoma, nodular sclerosis. Storage from iron is ferritin. Treatment of asymptomatic HIV is started with CD4 count falls below 350. Causative agent of Hodgkin's lymphoma is Epstein-Barr virus. Most common site of GIT lipoma is stomach. Hypertrophy is defined as increase in size of the cell. Irreversible cell injury is demonstrated by amorphous large intestines in mitochondria. Programmed cell death is also known as apoptosis. Most important source of histamine is mast cell. Following injury to a blood vessel, immediate hemostasis is achieved by vasoconstriction. Cell-mediated immune response is which type of hypersensitivity? Type 4. Neurofibromatosis is inherited as autosomal dominant. Duchenne muscular dystrophy is inherited as S-linked recessive. Edwards syndrome is also known as trisomy 18. Best tumor marker for lung cancer is carcinoembryonic antigen. Tumor marker for squamous cell carcinoma is cytokeratin. Poorly differentiated carcinoma expresses which tumor marker is cytokeratin. Virus associated with Kaposi sarcoma is HHV8. Heart failure cells are seen in which organ? Lungs. Most common site of coronary atherosclerosis is left anterior descending. Location of vegetation in Lehmann sac endocarditis is under surface of valves. Which worm cause myocarditis? Trichinella. HbA2 is written as alpha 2 and delta 2. Primary defect which leads to sickle cell anemia is replacement of glutamic acid by valine at beta 6. Earliest sign of iron deficiency anemia is decreased serum ferritin. Hodgkin's disease subtype with best prognosis is lymphocytic predominant. Prognosis is directly proportional to lymphocyte count. Lacunar cells are seen in which type of Hodgkin's disease? Nodular sclerosis. Steric eye appearance is seen in Burkitt's lymphoma. Most common type of carcinoma lung is adenocarcinoma. Marker of small cell carcinoma of lung is chromogranin. TOM-R-SPL protein is produced in which part of kidney is loop of Henle. Cause of edema in nephrotic syndrome is salt and water retention. Common pathological changes seen in kidney in benign hypertension is inline atherosclerosis. Cause of flea-bitten kidney is malignant hypertension. Renal papillary necrosis is associated with diabetic mellitus analgesic nephropathy. Most common site of carcinoma of esophagus is middle 1/3. Most common site of gastrointestinal tumor is stomach. Osteomas, adenomatous polyp of intestine and periampullary carcinoma are seen in which syndrome? Gardner's syndrome. Calskin tumor is another term for cholangiocarcinoma. Schiller duval bodies are seen in endodermal sinus or yolks of tubal. Most common malignant bone tumor is secondaries. Macrophage in brain in microlgia. Most common site of metastasis of medulloblastoma bone. Mode of inheritance of Wilson disease is autosomal recessive. HLA complex in human is located on chromosome number 6. HLA is associated with rheumatoid arthritis is DR4. CD marker for angiosarcoma is 31. Localized laryngeal cells histiocytes affecting head and neck is eosinophilic granuloma. Burkitt's lymphoma is positive for CD19. An anti-apoptic gene is BCL2. Michaelis-Guttman's bodies are seen in Malakoplakia. In xeroderma pigmentosum, defect lines is DNA repair nucleotide excisions repair defect. A patient having cystic medial necrosis with necrotizing arteries is suffering from giant cell arthritis. Tram track appearance of glomeruli is found in which condition? Membrane proliferative GN type 2. Duchenne muscular dystrophy is inherited is X-linked recessive. Range of microalbuminuria is 30 to 300 mg per day. Most sensitive test for DIC is raised fibrogen degradation products. Female with mantle radiation will suffer from which thyroid malignancy, papillary carcinoma. HMB45 is used as a marker for malignant melanoma. Ascending aorta is involved in which aneurysm, commonly syphilitic aneurysm. Caterpillar cells are seen in which heart condition, rheumatic fever. Albinocytologic CSF examination dissociation is seen in Guillain-Barré syndrome. Most common primary tumor of heart is myxoma. Myxoma of heart commonly arises from which chamber, left atrium. Reactive TB most common located near apex of lung. Most common heart tumor is secondaries. Type of calcification seen in normal tissues with raised serum calcium level is metastatic calcification. Brown induration of lung is seen in chronic venous congestions of lungs. Protein which transport iron is transferrin. Type of necrosis infraction is coagulative or ischemic. Harthus reaction is type of third hypersensitive reaction. Cirrhola body is or seen in asthma. Lateral spleen is seen in amyloidosis. Only immunoglobulin that cross placenta is IgG. Complement component which helps in chemostasis C5a. Beta-2 macroglobulin protein is seen in amyloidosis due to hemodialysis. Small proteins which degrades many intercellular proteins is ubiquitin. Ovarian counterpart of testicular seminoma is dysgerminoma. Most common involved artery in peripheral aneurysm is schistosoma. Transverse ulcers in GIT are seen which infection TB. Most common CNS neoplasm is secondaries. Marker for squamous cell carcinoma is cytocreatinine. Most common cause of nephrotic syndrome in adult is membranous glomerulonephritis. Seminal bodies are seen in papillary carcinoma of thyroid. Multi-segmented neutrophils are seen in megaloblastic anemia. Features of industrial ulcers in amoebosis is plaque-shaped ulcer. Most common bilateral tumor of breast is lobular. Commonest histological finding in benign hypertension is highlight arteriosclerosis. Micromolar abscess is seen in psoriasis. Congo red staining for amyloid under normal light shown is pink. Serum marker indicating active viral replication of HBV infection is HBeA antigen, HBV DNA. Which cells are important source of histamine? Mast cells. Rheumatic fever most affects mitral valve. Heart failure cells are pigmental alveolar macrophage. The pigment is hemosiderin. Biomarker which rises lastly in MI is LDH. Flask-shaped ulcers are seen in amoebosis. Most common site of affection in syphilitic aortitis is ascending aorta. Pulmonary artery is not involved in which type of vasculitis? Churg-Strauss syndrome. Loss of intercellular connections between cells is known as acantholysis. Decreased osmotic fragility is characteristic of thalassemia. Hemochromatosis is defect metabolism of iron. Duchenne in muscular dystrophy is a sclerodermal protein defect. Most common site of Klurling ulcer is stomach. Call external bodies are seen in granular cell tumor. Most common type of lung CA in a young age group is adenocarcinoma. Takeshita arteritis does not affect which artery is coronary artery. Verma syndrome is MEN type 1. Bilateral hilar lymphadenopathy is the future of sarcoidosis. Antibodies associated with primary biliary cirrhosis is anti-mitochondrial. Wilson disease is due to accumulation of copper. Autosplenectomy is seen in sickle cell anemia. Orphan eye nuclear appearance is characteristic of which tumors? Thyroid tumor. Thyroid tumor is papillary. Organ most common involved in eidetic disease is liver. Schilling test is done for vitamin B12 malabsorption. Congo red staining for amyloid under normal light shows pink color. Serum marker indicative active immunity in HPV infection as anti-HPS. Nigria bodies are seen in which part of CNS is hippocampus. Most common cause of endocarditis in native but previously damaged valve is Streptococcus viridans. Heart failure cells are seen in left ventricular failure. Biomarker which is specific for MI is troponin T and I. Piecemeal necrosis on liver histology suggested which condition chronic hepatitis. And in endomysial antibodies are seen in celiac spray. Most common type of glomerulonephritis in HIV is focal segmental glomerulonephritis. In AML, our rods are numerous in M3. Increased osmotic fragility is characteristic of hereditary spherocytosis. Christmas disease is due to deficiency of factor IX. Adult polycystic kidney is inherited as autosomal dominant. Community acute pneumonia is most common caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae. Pneumococcus as a result for prolonged cotton dust inhalation is by cyanosis. Most common type of lung carcinoma in non-smoker is adenocarcinoma. Loss of food process on electron microscopy of kidney tissue suggested minimal Chagas disease, lipoid nephrosis. Most common feature of sarcoidosis on chest X-ray is bilateral hilar lymphoadenopathy. SLE is a type of third hypersensitive reaction. HIV affects CD4 cells. Brosen diabetic is associated with hemochromatosis. Enlarged kidney is seen in diabetic mellitus, polycystic kidney amyloidosis. Most common type of stomach of malignancy is leiomyoma. Effect of paracetamol toxicity on kidney is renal papillary necrosis. Nodular sclerosis is classically associated with diabetic mellitus. Effect of bradykardine is vasodilation, cough and pain. Cell first involved in tissue injury is neutrophils. Tumor marker for carcinoma cervix is keratin. Immune thrombocytopenic purpura is a type of 2 hypersensitivity reaction. Amyloid protein is associated with primary amyloidosis and myeloma. Amyloid light chain. Inheritance of homocystinuria is autosomal recessive. Feature of mitochondrial DNA is a closed circular. Syphilitic aneurysm commonly involves ascending aorta. Cashman's spiral is a feature of asthma. Glomerulopathy showing normal findings on light microscopic is minimal change disease or lymphoid nephrosis. Necrotic palpitis is seen as DM, sickle cell anemia, analgesic nephropathy. Clemestine-Wilson lesions are suggestive of diabetic mellitus. Orphan-eyed nuclei are seen in thyroid tumor, papillary carcinoma. Thyroid carcinoma associated with men type 2 medullary carcinoma. Teardrop polypocytosis are seen in myelofibrosis. Feature absent in aplastic anemia is splenomegaly. AML with gum hypertrophy is AM4. Drug causing gum hypertrophy is pintine. Basophilic leukocytes is seen in chronic myeloid leukemia. Oral leukoplakia is caused by Epstein-Barr virus. Newgary body rabies are present in hippocampus of CNS. Most common type of glial tumors is astrocytoma. Most common cause of subarachnoid hemorrhage is endothelial cells of lymphocytic blood vessels. Most common cause of subarachnoid hemorrhage is rupture of berry aneurysm. Tissue of origin of corpusculosarcoma is endothelial cells of lymphatic blood vessels. Serum ceruloplasmin levels are the diagnostic for common type of glial tumor is astrocytoma. Most common cause of subarachnoid hemorrhage is rupture of berry aneurysm. Tissue of origin of corpusculosarcoma is endothelial cells of lymphatic blood vessels. Serum ceruloplasmin levels are the diagnostic use for Wilson disease. Clue cells are seen in bacterial vaginosis. Herald patch is suggestive features of Pityria cirrhotica. Drug of choice for scabies is 5% permethrin. Forced die disease is due to blockage of apocrine glands. Forced die disease is due to obstruction of apocrine glands. Under wood lamp examination, coral red pink color appearance is seen in erythema. Exclamation mark of hairs are seen in alopecia areata. Extra fluid beneath the eyelid is seen in atopic dermatitis. Sliding of superficial layers of skin on deeper layers when the tangential pressure is applied is seen in Nikolsky sign. Appearance and location of bullae is pymgoid is subepidermal bullae tense. Apple jelly granulation tissue is seen in TB ulcer. Malassezia purpura causes tinea, pityriasis versicolor, bullous eye, iris, target lesions are seen in erythema multiforme. Rose spots are seen in typhoid. Rash of chickenpox are described as a dew drops on rose petals. Number of skin lesion in fascibacillary leprosy is 2 to 5. Duration of treatment of multibacillary leprosy is 12 months. Complex spots are seen in measles. Infectivity period of chickenpox is 1 day before rash and 5 days after rash, meaning the last crop of rash. Butterfly rash is seen in SLE. Wire loop lesions are seen in SLE. Shrinking lung syndrome is associated with SLE. Anti-Smith antibodies are seen in SLE. DLE does not involve in nails. Anti-stone antibodies are associated with drug-inducing lupus. Antibodies associated with primary biliary cirrhosis is antimitochondrial. Nasopharyngeal carcinoma is caused by which virus? Epstein-Barr virus. Warthin Frinklade cells are seen in measles. Stain for reticulocytes is brilliant crystal blue. Birth cells are seen in hemolytic uremic syndrome. Lewy bodies are seen in Parkinsonism. Amyloid angiopathy, neuritic flakes, neurofibrillary tangles is features of Alzheimer's disease. Brick granules is associated with histiocytosis. Halberdster Kawasaki HP bodies are associated with trachoma. In splenic amyloidosis, amyloid deposition, splenic follicles is features of Zago spleen. Highland cats are seen in normal. Hyperplastic atherosclerosis is seen in malignant hypertension. A characteristic tri-tape is encountered in myelofibrosis. Bread and butter pericarditis is features of rheumatic heart disease. Core bovium and tree breaking of aortic intima is a feature of syphilis. Normal value of RAID index is up to 0.4. Most sensitive and specific test for diagnosis iron deficiency anemia is serum ferritin. Immunity against HPV is denoted by which marker? Anti-HBs. Neurotransmitter decrease and Alzheimer's disease is acetylcholine. Endoscopes are sterilized by 2% glutaraldehyde. Biological transmission shown by filaria is cyclodevelopmental. Chikungunya is transmitted by Aedes mosquitoes. Live vaccines which can be given in pregnancy under special circumstances is yellow fever. Strain for BCG vaccine is Danish 1331. Chances of HIV infection by accident needle prick to health worker is 0.3%. Warthin Frinklade giant cells are seen in measles. Procalcitonin amyloid protein is associated with medullary carcinoma thyroid. Neurofibrillary triangles are seen in Alzheimer's disease. Halberdster Kawasaki HP bodies are seen in chlamydia tracheomatosis trachoma. APC gene is associated with familial adenomatous polyps colic. Acanthosis is peripheral smear is seen in A beta lipoproteinemia. Calcium deposit in normal tissue is due to hypercalcemia is known as metastatic classification. Sago spleen is associated with splenic amyloidosis. RBC Cas in urine are seen in glomerular injury. Fibrinoid necrosis is seen in malignant hypertension. Dry bone marrow tap is a characteristic of myelofibrosis. Tertiary resistant acid phosphatase T or AP is a cytochemical marker for which malignancy is hairy cell leukemia. Thyroid CA showing phenomenon bodies as a papillary CA. Bread and butter pericarditis is associated with acute rheumatic fever. Tree breaking of aortic intima is seen in syphilitic carotitis. Most common site of coronary atherosclerosis is left anterior descending artery. Most sensitive and specific test for diagnosis iron deficiency anemia serum ferritin levels. Marker denoting immunity against HPV infection is anti-HPES. Redex index is increased in chronic bronchitis. Maculum's patch is associated with acute rheumatic fever. Neurotransmitter disease in Alzheimer's disease is acetylcholine. Burst cells in peripheral smear are seen in uremia HUS. Gene associated with retinoblastoma is RBG. Cas seen in chronic renal failure is broad glandular Cas. Mantek test is which type of hypersensitivity reaction is type 4 hypersensitivity reaction. Herenobodies are seen in Alzheimer's disease. Major fibrin protein in primary amyloidosis is amyloid light chains. Lamina is found in basement membrane. Most common cause of acute bacterial endocarditis is Staphylococcus aureus. Site of vegetations of non-bacterial thrombotic endocarditis is along the line of closure of valves. Maculum's patch is diagnostic of rheumatic fever. Jones criteria is related to which condition rheumatic fever. Most common genetic heart disease is tetralogy of Fullerton. Bony carcinoma which can develop years after radiotherapy is osteosarcoma. Pathological change of diabetics in kidney is chemistral Wilson nodule. Organ not involved in polyarteritis nodosa pan in lungs. Steroids produces a traumatic response in which glomerulonephropathy, minimal Chagas change disease. Light microscopic changes in minimal change, glomerulonephrosis is no change. Most common site of amyloidosis is kidney. Deficiency of intrinsic factor of Castile causes pernicious anemia. Most precancerous condition for carcinoma colon is familial polyposis. In Fitz Jagger syndrome, polyposis are seen in small intestine. Mucocutaneous pigmentation is a feature which syndrome? Fitz Jagger syndrome. Most common neurological manifestation of phenylketonuria is mental retardation. Hereditary spherocytosis is inherited as autosomal dominant. SL is a type of third hypersensitivity reaction. Row of tombstone appearance is seen in Pemphigus vulgaris. Most common type of gallbladder carcinoma is adenocarcinoma with infiltrating pattern. Fibroid necrosis is seen in malignant hypertension. Most common type of pathological nipple discharge is intraductal papilloma. Cells which multiply constantly throughout life is labial cells. Lacunar variant of red Steinberger cells are seen in nodular sclerosis. Scrotal skin cancer is related to which profession? Shimini sweepers. Von Hippel-Lindau syndrome is associated with carcinoma is renal cell carcinoma. Syndrome related to Wills tumor is Vagar syndrome. Owl's eye inclusion bodies are seen in cytomegalovirus. CD marker for angiosarcoma is CD31. Hair ring bodies are seen in neurohypophysis. Michaelis Guttman bodies are seen in macroplakia. Executively radius sensitive brain tumor which occurs exclusively in cerebellum medulloblastoma. Critical coronary stenosis is defined as 70 to 75% obstruction of vessel lumen. Most common site of left atrial myxoma is fossa ovalis. Fibrous plaques are composed of smooth muscle cells, fibrous tissues. Fibrous cap in erythema contains smooth muscles and collagens. Storage organelles for when well-burned factor found in endothelial cells is vibial palladic bodies. Cavator bodies are seen in Lichen palaces. Cojo pustuleus monoro microopsis is a feature of psoriasis. Subungual fibromas are seen in tuberculosis sclerosis. Lichen nodules are seen in type 1 neurofibromatosis. Prevascular pseudorrhosis are seen in epidymyoma. Healing in which there is more inflammation or more granulation tissues, more scarring and more wound contraction is healing by secondary indentation. Wound regain up to 70 to 80% of normal skin strength after how much time is after 3 months. In kidney, amyloid deposit is principally found near glomeruli. In liver, amyloid deposit initially occur in the space of disease. Amyloid deposit in the splenic follicles leads to Sagos spleen. Carpal tunnel syndrome is a patient undergoing long-term dialysis is commonly due to amyloid deposition in carpal ligaments. Stain for glycogen is PAs. Stain used to identify valuable myocardium in myocardial injuries, triphenylene tetrazolinum chloride (TTC). Amyloid tissue produces mangoine brown stain which iodine and sulfuric acid. Amyloid produces apple green bifurcations due to cross beta pleated configuration of amylofibrosis. Which pigment is known as wear and tear pigment lipofuscin. Action of telomerase enzyme is prevents shortening and maintains chromosome length. Effect of telomere shortening on cell is cell death. A golden yellow to brown color pigment which contains ferritin mesylase is hemosiderin. Fat necrosis is seen in acute pancreatitis. Fibrinoid necrosis is seen in immune-mediated disease. Liquefied necrosis is primarily seen in brain. Coagulated necrosis is infracts all solid organs except brain. Minor figures are formed during necrosis. Squamous metaplasm respiratory epithelium is seen in deficiency which vitamin A. Enlargement of uterus during pregnancy is combination both hyperplasia and hypertrophy. Pro-apoptic proteins are calf space 8, BAC and P53 gene. Anti-apoptic gene is BCL2, BCLX. Xenograft is transplanting organs from one species to another. GP120 is important in attachment of which virus HIV. Most common type of intracranial tumor is secondaries. Histological features of epithelioma is rosette-shaped arrangement of cells. Attentions secondaries in skulls are due to tumors which gland adrenal. Anti-transglutaminase antibody is seen in celiac disease. Most common site of carcinoma in Werner syndrome is small intestine. Most common site of diverticulosis is sigmoid colon. Pseudopolyps is a feature of ulcerative colitis. Panthen cells contains which trace metal zinc. Anti-Saccharomyces cerevisiae antibodies are seen in Crohn's disease. Change seen in Barrett's esophagus is columnar metaplasia. Inflammatory bowel disease with transmural involvement of skip lesions are seen in Crohn's disease. Most significant site of amoebiasis is sigmoid colon. Edema occurs when the plasma protein concentration falls by 50%. Color of hemosiderin is brown. Most common cause of aortic aneurysm is atherosclerosis. Ascending aorta is commonly involved, which aorta is syphilitic. Least common cause of classification in lung is amyloidosis. In myocardial infarction, microscopic feature of coagulation, necrosis, and neutrophilic infiltration is seen on which day 1 to 3rd. Hypersensitive vasculitis is seen which part of vascular system. Post-capillary venules. Onion skin thickening of arterial walls are seen in hyperplastic arteriosclerosis. Arterial myxoma is commonly found which charmer of heart is left atrium. Which factor is responsible for cardiac hypertrophy? MYC. And cut section of lung, palpable nodules in early stages but hard collagen scars in later stages with pleural thickening such as silicosis. Reactive TB commonly occurs in which part of lungs apex? Heart failure cells are found in which organ? Lungs. Earliest feature of TB is proliferation of lymphocytes. Which type of carcinoma may develop in scar of lungs? Squamous cell CA. Nidus index is raised in chronic bronchiectasis. Asteroid bodies are seen in sarcoidosis. Metastatic calcification is most often seen in which organ? Lungs. Grace hepatization of lungs is seen on which day? 4 to 8. Alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency is related to which condition? Emphysema. Pneumonia alba is caused by Treponema pallidum. APUD cells are seen in which tumor of lung? This bronchial carcinoid. Hepatocytosis or what type of cells is stable? Which marker is related to recurrent stage of hepatitis B is anti-HBC. First antibody is case of alba is caused by Treponema pallidum. APUD cells are seen in which tumor of lungs? Bronchial carcinoid. Hepatocytes, what type of cells is stable? Which marker is related to recurrent stage of hepatitis B? Anti-HBC. First antibody is case of acute hepatitis B is immunoglobulin M and anti-HBC. Content of malaria-iline is cytoskeleton intermediate filaments or precreatine. In which condition malaria-iline is seen in alcoholic liver disease? Nagmat liver is seen in chronic venous congestion. Concentrated bodies are seen in acute viral hepatitis. Gallbladder thickening with comatitile revertebration afferents on USG suggests the diagnosis of adenomyosis of gallbladder. Kupffer cells of phagocytosis is seen in liver. A control protein of platelets is thromboasthenin. Cryoprecipitated contains factor 8 and fibrinogen. Marrow in iron deficiency anemia is normoblastic and deficient reticuloendothelial iron stores. Protein defective hereditary spherocytosis and carine. CO poisoning leads to which type of hypoxia? Anemic. Hookworm cause anemic. Sickling protects RBC against which disease is malaria? Common complement component for both pathways is C3. Bone infracts are common in which condition sickle cell anemia. Blood stored at 4 degrees Celsius can be kept for how many days? 21. Earliest feature for correction of iron deficiency anemia is reticulocytes count. Beta macroglobulins are derived from which cells? Beta cells. Tissue thromboplastic activators which factor 7. To test hepatic function in elevating bleeding disorders, parameter analyzed is APTT. Echinocytes are the type of which cells RBC. Sideroblastic anemia is seen which poisoning? Lead poisoning. Shape of RBC in biconcave due to which protein? Septrin. Cabot's ring in RBC seen after surgery is splenectomy. Autonephropathy is seen in which infection? TB. Autosplenectomy is seen in sickle cell anemia. Increased PT and normal PTT are seen deficiency which clotting factor is 7. Adding glucose to stored blood prevents hemolysis. If blood is left for 1 day, which clotting factor is reduced? 8. Which emerging organism's virus is responsible for causing pyelonephritis in renal allografts? Pyeloma virus. Which one-sided normal kidney and other side contracted with scar diagnosis is chronic pyelonephritis. Crescent forming glomerulonephritis is RPGN. Preglomerular fibrosis is considered typical of chronic pyelonephritis. Increased level of C3-NGF are associated with glomerulonephritis in MP, GN2. Anti-U1 RNP antibodies seen in mixed connective tissue disorder. Best marker for SLE is anti-DS and DNA. Libman-Sachs endocarditis is associated with SLE. Onion peel appearance of splenic capsule is seen in SLE. An enzyme which recognizes palindromic sequence and cuts DNA within DNA molecule is restriction endonuclease. Stone seen in urinary tract infection is Stargardt calculi. Deficiency of globulin synthesis is seen in thalassemia. Mutation in Marfan syndrome involve which protein is fibrillin 1. Anti-Shishwan cells are modified in modified macrophages. Systemic miliary TB occurs when spread of infection occurs through which route? Arterial. Regeneration of liver after partial hepatectomy is an example of hyperplasia. Optic nerve meningioma arises from which meninges is arachnoid. Most common cause of primary hyperthyroidism is solitary adenoma. CD4 counts refers which cells? T helper cells. Furcan space was present in AP typenoma. Teardrop cell together with leukoerythroblasts is seen in primary myelofibrosis. Allergic bronchopulmonary aspirations is in which type of hypersensitivity reaction is type 1. Trisomy 21 is Down syndrome. Most specific antibody for SLE is anti-Smith antibody. Alveolar macrophage and hemosiderin-laden macrophages are seen in Goodpasture syndrome. Most common primary malignant bone tumor is multiple myeloma. RB gene is located on which chromosome? 13q14. Laryngeal granuloma lymphocytes are which cells? NK cells. Histology of malignant hypertension is fibrinoid necrosis. Nutmeg liver is seen in chronic venous conjunctions. Lead smear is iron deficiency. Anemia is hypochromic microcytic. ACTH producing lung carcinoma is small cell CA. Most common site of cardiac myxoma is left atrium. Arterial biopsy of elderly males shown fragmentation, elastic lamina, lymphocytic infiltration and gain cells or diagnosis temporal arteritis. Arthal cells are seen in which thyroid condition is Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Causative organism of rheumatic fever is group A streptococci. Grading of tumor is based on differentiations. Spongiform changes in astrocytic tumor in neural loss is seen in Spirion disease. Nutmeg liver is seen in right heart failure. Example of transpiration factor is MYC. Example of transpiration factor is MYC. Most common inheritance of retinitis pigmentosa is sporadic. Most common inheritance of retinoblastoma is autosomal dominant. HLA is associated with psoriasis, HLA CW6. Translocation seen in mantle cell lymphoma is T1114. Lydian mutation is associated with factors 5. Cystic fibrosis is due to mutation long arm of chromosome 7. Immunoglobulin presence in local secretion is immunoglobulin A. Most common intracellular tumor is secondary race. Liptocyte in blood smear or seen in thalassemia. CD marker for mild lymphoma is CD20. Staining used for diagnosis and Sphinx disease is acetylcholinesterase. Immune complex mediated necrosis. In which type of necrosis is fibrinoid necrosis? Which interleukin and anti-inflammatory is interleukin 4? And Harbour classification is used for Hodgkin's lymphoma. Dunath-Landsteiner test is used diagnosis of paroxysmal cold hemoglobinuria. Which drug causes periportal fibrosis is methotrexate. Which substance is also known as Guardian Angel against obesity is adiponectin. Thrombosis is seen in which cause of lupus nephritis is class 3. Inheritance of polycystic kidney is autosomal dominant. Lab score is maximum polycythemia vera. Most common gene responsible for hereditary hemochromatosis is HFE gene. Characteristics of Whipple's disease is foamy macrophage. Characteristics of focal segmental glomerulonephrosis is immunoglobulin M and C3. Dysmorphic RBC is with acute renal failure is seen in glomerular disease. In type A maple syrup urine disease is gene mutation seen in E1A. Dent disease is due to defect of chlorine channel. Hyperplasia of smooth muscles of airway is seen in osmum. Cyclin D and IgH fusion gene is associated with mantle cell carcinoma. Most common cause of subtype of hepatitis B in North India is AYW. Non-caseating granuloma is seen in Crohn's disease. Isolated rise in APTT is seen in antiphospholipid antibodies. Harlequin ichthyosis is inherited as autosomal recessive. Inheritance of Wilson disease is autosomal recessive. Inheritance of tuberous sclerosis is autosomal dominant. Multifactorial inheritance is most likely to result cleft lip. Location of retinoblastoma gene is chromosome 13. Retinoblastoma gene regulates which phase of cell cycle? G1S phase. HLA complex in human is located on chromosome 6. HLA is associated with rheumatoid arthritis is D or 4. HLA is associated with psoriasis is DCW6. HLA is marker for Vincennes disease is B51. In which disease interleukin 6 is presently Vincennes disease. CD marker cells of cytotoxic cell T cell markers is CD8. CD marker for angiosarcoma is CD31. CD marker of laryngeal histiocytosis is CD1A. Localized laryngeal cell histiocytosis affecting head and neck is eosinophilic granuloma. Burkitt's lymphoma is positive for which CD? CD20. Burkitt's lymphoma is positive for which CD? CD20. Example for anti-apoptotic protein is BCL2. Werner's disease is related to premature aging. Which gene is responsible for mutation of hepatitis B viruses is C gene. Use of cryoprecipitatase fibrinogen. All the compounds of blood may transmit which disease? Malaria. In bone marrow, ratio of fat cells RBC is 1:1. Mutation of GS alpha may lead to which disease? Musian-Albright's syndrome. Chmielewski-Wilson lesion is suggestive of diabetic nephropathy. Defect of xeroderma pigmentosa is nucleotide excision repair. Heart failure cells are which cells? Macrophages. Which substance cause platelet aggregation? Thromboxanase A2. Pseudophlegelar head cells are found in myelodysplastic syndrome. Location of renal cell carcinoma gene is chromosome 3p. 12 bodies are found. Which cellular organelles is endoplasmic reticulum? Most common encountered mutation in carcinoma prostate is GPST1. Which substance leads to resolution of inflammation is tumor necrosis factor alpha 2 10 interleukin 1 receptor antagonist. Necrotic arteriolysis which fibrinoid necrosis is found in antigen antibody mediated. Hyperplastic arteriolysis which necrotic arteriolysis is seen in malignant hypertension. Cystic medial necrosis with necrotic arteries found is arthroarthritis. First sign of renal graft rejection is increased creatinine. An example of labial cells is surface epithelium. Hepatitis A virus never leads to fulminant hepatitis. Anemia which reticulocytes is seen in hemorrhage. Grading in cancer is based on differentiation of tumor cells. Collagen affected osteogenesis imperfecta type 1. Type 4 hypersensitivity reaction is modification of type 2. Gilson's grading system is used for carcinoma prostate. Carcinoid heart disease affects in which part of the heart? Valvular endocardium. Main transcriptic protein of copper is ceruloplasmin. In atherosclerosis, formed cells contain lipid in the form of oxidized LDL. Most common defect in hereditary spherocytosis is ankyrin. Location of ATM gene is chromosome 11. Test for extrinsic and common coagulation pathway is prothrombin. Cellular infiltrate seen in late Pseudomonas infection is formed mainly by neutrophils. Strength of wound after 2 months is governed by collagen cross-linking. Most common site of adenoid cyst carcinoma is minus salivary glands. Which tumor has constituted appearance of grape-like clusters? Embryal rhabdomyosarcoma. Allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillosis is a type of hypersensitivity reaction is type 1. Characteristic peripheral blood picture in megaloblastic anemia is macrocytosis, decreased reticulocyte count. Diagnosis of falciparum malaria is made by PFHRP2. First hormone bodies associated which tumor of ovaries is serous cytoadenoma. Earliest change seen in apoptosis is cell shrinking. Increased osmotic fragility is seen in local type 1 hypersensitivity reactions. Finnish anemia affects which part is gastric pathology. Insane paralysis is associated with syphilis. Enzyme alpha-naphthalene esterase is present in monocytes. Primary membranous nephropathy has antibodies and against phospholipase A2 receptors. Correct sequence in extravections of leukocytes, migration, rolling, addition, and transmigrations. Alpha-1 antitrypsin is associated with which type of emphysema? Pansenar emphysema. TNF and interleukin-1 are produced by activated macrophages. Celiac sprue is associated with HLA-DQ2. Mechanism of transmission of alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency is autosomal recessive. Epstein-Barr virus receptor located in the surface of B cell which CD21. Ellsworth classification is used for retinoblastoma. Appearance of liver in chronic right ventricular failure is congested. Increased prothrombin times result from deficiency of which fibrinogen. Thymic hyperplastic is associated with which syndrome? Myasthenia gravis. Cliff-like space in erythrocytes plaque contains cholesterol crystal. Characteristic histopathology finding in Wilson's disease is PSA, positive macrophage rod-shaped vessel in lamina propria. Most common cause of inherited peripheral nephropathy is Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease. Concentration hypertrophy of heart is seen in hypertension. Location of Ghon's focus is right apical parenchymal region. Flow cytometry is done to known rapid cell shrinking. Alpha thalassemia is due to alpha chain deficiency. Sequence of events in acute inflammation is transient vasoconstriction, vasodilation, increased permeability, and stasis. Most common part involved in multiple myeloma is bone marrow. Antithyroglobulin antibodies are seen in Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Salt-losing nephropathy is seen in interstitial nephropathies. Absence of laminar dura is seen in hyperparathyroidism. ANCA is associated with venous granulomatosis is C ANCA. Highest level of leukocytes alkaline phosphate is seen in polycythemia vera. Hypercoagulability defect due to defective factor 5 gene is called as Lentian mutation. Postural hypotension is defined as drop in systolic BP for more than 20 mm on standing for at least 1 minute. Pulsatile liver in a clinical feature of tricuspid regurgitation. Salt-losing nephritis is associated with interstitial nephritis. Most common cause of stroke in elderly is embolic and anti-acetylcholine receptor antibodies are found in Myasthenia gravis. Wernicke's encephalopathy is due to deficiency of vitamin B1 thiamine. Lish nodules on lens is seen in neurofibromatosis. Most common cause of iron deficiency in India is autoimmune hypothyroidism. Diabetic foot ulcer is commonly associated with microangiopathy. Non-pedal edema is seen with myxedema. Butterfly rash is a clinical feature of SLE. Serum complement is reduced in active SLE. Nodular glomerular necrosis sclerosis is a feature of diabetic nephropathy. Most common cause of dementia in elderly patient is Alzheimer Alzheimer's disease. Most common anteromedial tumor is theioma, deficiency of which vitamin K is likely patient in INH therapies. Vitamin B6. Most specific marker for gastrointestinal tumor is CD117. Apoptosis is directly regulated by cytochrome C. Low leukocytic alkaline phosphatase score is seen in CML. Aneuploidy is due to non-disjunctions at meiosis. Alkaline phosphate is produced by bone, intestine, liver and placenta. Pale infarct is not seen in lung. In inflammatory response, macrophages are usually derived from monocytes. Heart failure cells contains hemocysteine. Most common site of myocardial infarction is anterolateral. Most common cause of abdominal aneurysm is atherosclerosis. Most common cause of SCV obstruction is bronchogenic carcinoma. Cells are seen in infracted area in myocardial infarction after 72 hours is macrophages. The least common site of berry aneurysm is vertebral artery. Most common tumor of myocardium is secondaries. Myxoma is the most common primary tumor. Not decrease in nephrotic syndrome is fibrinogen. Not feature of rapidly progressive glomerulonephritis is rapid recovery. Characteristic features of kidney in malignant hypertension is febrile necrosis. Most common factor in development of diabetic nephropathy is duration of diabetes. HLA is associated in IgD, MS, HLA, DR3 and DR4. Most common soft tissue tumor in adult is lipoma. Malignancy of breast is likely associated with atypical epithelial hyperplasia. Paraneoplastic syndrome not associated with carcinoma lung is hypoglycemia. Most common site of biliary adenoma is parotid salivary glands. Tumor not included in men. Type 1 is medullary carcinoma thyroid. Primary pleural tumor is mesothelioma. Mucin is not secreted by Paneth cells. Pseudopolyps are features of ulcerative colitis. Dystrophic calcification is seen in erythromatous plaques. Cytokeratin is seen in carcinoma. Pale infarct is not seen in lung. Major fibrin protein is primary amyloidosis is amyloid light chain. Lamina is found in basement membrane. Most common cause of SCV syndrome is estrogenic compression lung carcinoma. In Marfan's syndrome, aortic aneurysm occurs most commonly in ascending aorta. Maclan's patch is the diagnostic of rheumatic endocarditis. Calcification of aortic valves is seen in aortic stenosis. A component pathology of Fullerton is VSD. Carcinoma not associated with the disseminated intravascular coagulation is breast. Pathological change in malignant hypertension is hyperplastic atherosclerosis. Organ not involved in polyarteritis nodosa pan is lung. Non-pathological change of diabetic nephropathy is focal sclerosis. Light microscopic change in minimal change glomerulonephritis is no abnormality seen. Features of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease scoped is amyloidosis. Deficiency of intrinsic factors of cause is pernicious anemia. Most precancerous condition for carcinoma colon is familial polyposis. In Fitz-Jaggard syndrome, polyps are seen in small bowel. Not a component of Werner syndrome is adrenals. Malignancy is pheochromocytoma is indicated by metastasis. An autosomal dominant condition in Agintes chorea. Function of Langerhans cells is antigen presentation. Russell bodies are found in multiple myeloma. Fat distribution, cold water channel swimmers is preferentially deposited in subcutaneous tissue. Macrovesicular fatigue liver is seen in protein energy malnutrition. Vitamin K dependent clotting factor is 2, 7, 9 and 10. Most common perimalignant condition of oral carcinoma is leukoplakia. Not predisposing factor for esophageal carcinoma is benzene therapy. Most common site of leiomyoma is stomach. Skip granular lesions are seen in Crohn's disease. Toxic meganocolon is most common associated with ulcerative colitis. Not a feature of minimal change glomerulonephritis is hypertension. Not a steroid-resistant glomerulonephritis is minimal change glomerulonephritis. Post-infective glomerulonephritis presents as nephrotic syndrome. An important factor for chronic pyelonephritis is vesicoureteral reflex. Not a cause of flay-bitten kidney is diabetic nephropathy. A testicular tumor marker is alpha-fetoproteins. Hodgkin's disease associated with best prognosis is lymphocytic predominance. Ectopic ACTH production is seen in small cell carcinoma of lung. Nucleus involved in Alzheimer's disease is basal nucleus of myelinated. Most common site of myocardial infarction is left ventricle anterior wall. Coagulative necrosis is not seen in Zenker's diaventriculum. Dystrophic classification is seen in atheromatous plaque. Laryngeal cells or antigen presenting cells. Not a cause of increased capillary permeability is renin. Tumor positive for cytocretin of testicular tumor marker is alpha-fetoproteins. Hodgkin's disease associated with best prognosis is lymphocytic predominance. Ectopic ACTH production is seen in small cell carcinoma of lungs. Nucleus involved in Alzheimer's disease is basal nucleus of myelinated. Most common site of myocardial infarction is left ventricular anterior wall. Coagulative necrosis is not seen in Zenker's diaventriculum. Laryngeal cells are seen in antigen presenting cells. Not a cause of increased capillary permeability is renin. Tumor positive cytokines are likely to carcinoma. Not a site of pale infractus lung. False fossil aging is enlargement telomere. Gas which does not contribute to greenhouse effect is nitric oxide. Most common employed stain for amyloidosis is Congo red with polarized light. False for amyloidosis is renal amyloidosis commonly present with hypertension. Not decrease in nephrotic syndrome is fibrinogen. Not a cause of granular contract kidneys diabetic mellitus. Salt losing nephropathy is the future of interstitial nephritis. Common pathological changes seen in kidney in benign hypertension is alien atherosclerosis. Malaria alien changes are not seen in hepatitis. Liver biopsy is carried out of 8th intercostal space in order to prevent lung injury. Thick mucous coat productive in ulcer patients. Property productive epithelium is regeneration powered. Most common carcinoma of breast is intraductal carcinoma. Cyclic changes in woman breast consists of epithelial cell proliferation. Diagnostic feature in rheumatic heart disease is Charcot's bodies. Least common site of berry aneurysm is vertebral artery. Likely site of lesion in Alzheimer's disease is basal nucleus of myelinated. Myeloid island bodies are seen in Wilson disease. However, eye inclusions in urine are seen in cytomegalovirus. Condition transmitted X-linked dominant disorders, vitamin D resistant rickets. Most common carcinoma associated with asbestosis is adenocarcinoma lung. Stevens-Jones syndrome is which type of hypersensitivity reaction type 4. Substance responsible for cell-to-cell addition is E-cadherin. Most commonly defective antibody in multiple myeloma is immunoglobulin G. Extrinsic pathway for clothing factors is measured by which parameter? Prothrombin. Most common clinical manifestations of sarcoidosis is hilar lymphadenopathy. Most common organ associated with polycystic disease is liver. Hormone produced and pheochromocytoma is Slippel syndrome men 2A epinephrine. Brix granules in the cytoplasm of seen in laryngeal cells. Antibody suggestive of ulcerative colitis is P and K, in which condition ubiquitin gets deposited in neurons is Huntington's chorea. Most common malignant tumor of kidney is renal cell CA. Lifespan of transient or red blood cell is 60 days. Radiation exposed during infancy leads to which tumor in later life? Thyroid. Caspase are associated with embryogenesis apoptosis. Parasite which can lead to malignancies, chlorinoxis sinensis. Use of nitro blue tetrazoleum test is chronic granulomatous disorder. JAK2 mutation is seen in polycythemia vera. Most common cause of death in patients with rheumatic heart disease is cardiac failure. Simone focus in TB is found in liver. Simone focus in lungs. Podocytes are seen in which part of kidneys? Bowman's capsules. Chronic hypertrophic gastritis is also known as Meniere's disease. Body seen in granulosa cell tumor is called external bodies. RBG gene is tumor suppressor gene. Residual body is defined as lysosomal with undigested particle inside. Most common form of lactate dehydrogenase presenting in lung is LDH3. Chromosome for RH is 1. Harcinosis is suggested of all alkaptonuria. Wilson disease is inherited as autosomal recessive. Hypophosphatemic keratitis is inherited as X-linked dominant. CD8 is a marker for T cell. Carcinoma is associated with MEN1. Type of rosette seen in neuroblastoma is Homer Wrights rosette. Most common primary tumor of heart is myxoma. Ristocytin tests show decreased agglutination in which hemoglobin condition is born. Wilbrand disease. Effect of decrease in latent complements in meningococcal infection is leads to recurrent meninges infection. Flip is which type of gene? Anti-apoptic gene. Appearance of liver in right side of heart failure is nutmeg liver. Type of necrosis is in momentum is fat necrosis. Protein defective in dilated cardiomyopathy is dystrophin. Collagen is derived from collagen. Churg-Strauss syndrome shown which type of vasculitis? Small cell vasculitis. Lines of Zahan are seen in which organ? Heart. Heart failure cells are actually alveolar macrophages. Mediator of chemostasis is C5a. Which type of amyloid protein is raised in ankylosing spondylitis? Is serum amyloid associated protein. HLA is associated with psoriasis vulgaris, HLA CW6.